Welcome to VoTrak Inventory Technologies. In this video, we will be explaining to you a little bit about how our system works and how to set up an inventory.
We designed VoTrak so that you could do a number of things from this interface. You can set up your clients. If you looked earlier, we told a little bit about our business management system. You can train your profile. When you're using voice technology, it always helps to train your profile. The better your profile's trained, the better your recognition will be. You can manage your audits, set up an audit, reopen a finalized audit after it's taken. You can import and export audits to other computers, and you can set up your server controls. For right now, we're going to quickly set up an audit. We have an audit in here that we use for testing. It's called ABC Convenience Store, located in Surfside Beach. We're going to say this inventory takes place today, and we're going to bring into this audit previous sections, categories, things like that that we had set up. I'm going to select one from down here. And here's all of our sections. Here are our categories. And this one we have cigarettes set up so that we can count cigarettes and the pricing set up.
And all of the sections and categories are described in your inventory setup.
So we're going to save this, exit it. The reason we set it up like this is you can set up a whole week's or a whole month's inventories ahead of time if you would like. But they set up so fast, we typically do it in the store. Here's the audits that are available to perform. You just select the one you're going to do. It opens to this interface. You can put your supervisor's name in here, how many people are on the audit, and then it will automatically put the date and the start time. And here's the interface to do the audit. Here we have, again, the audit setup where you can go in and change categories, sections, descriptions, prices for cigarettes, things like that. We have manual data entry so that you can actually key in data from here as a supervisor. We can train our profiles from here as well. If we're doing a scan audit, this is where you select your price book from. We will show you that in a future time. And this is where we start our server to connect our tablets. So we're going to start the server. We're going to tell it that we want 60 seconds to start the tablet. If there are 4 or 5 people standing around, you could do that. This is Judy's tablet here, and we're going to use it today. And we're going to tell it to connect to the server. It just takes a couple of seconds for it to connect to the server. It's connected to Vince Perrin's PC, which is this one. We'll choose an auditor. And it has opened up an interface very similar to this right here.
The system is asleep. Please say computer wake up to start.
We're going to try and use the microphone on the tablet to show you how the echo feature on the tablet works. We're going to speed up the voice just a little bit. And computer wake up.
Okay, I'm ready. Section
700
700. Category
1900.
1900. 1900 is not a valid category number. Please re-enter.
I'm sorry, I thought that I was in a different inventory. 4,
1. 1 is not a valid category number. Please re-enter. 4. Price
3.25,
3.25.
6, 6, 8,
8.
4,
4.
3.
And you can see on the screen how each entry comes up, and she repeats everything back to you. But if you didn't understand what she was echoing, you can look right here on your tablet and see exactly what you put in. And this is the price and the quantity of the item, and this will be your section number.
1.
Computer go to sleep.
1.
Computer go to sleep.
Thank you. Wake me when you're ready.
Using the microphone on the tablet, it hears background noise, and it's not as good of recognition as if you had your headset on. But we want to do this so that you can hear the echo feature. and you just have to be patient with some of the recognition. But I would like to show you real fast about cigarettes. And computer wake up. Computer wake up.
Okay, I'm ready.
Section
Section
100,
100. Category
2,
2. Subcategory
Marlboro,
Marlboro
4,
4.
Camel,
Camel
3,
3.
And
Computer
see,
go
it
to
puts
sleep.
the description of the cigarette right here and the quantity.
computer go to sleep,
1.
computer go to sleep.
Thank you. Wait me when you're ready.
So you can see it even works through the microphone on the computer. You can imagine with a headset how well it works. Now to see this on the main computer here, all that you have to do is say refresh auditors. There I am. You click on your name and there's exactly what was put into the tablet.
And here's your section, your category number, your description, the price, and the count. And this over here will be the timestamp.
And then if you go to VoTrak reports, which was open on the bottom here, and let me close this down here. I should have waited to open it until I was doing the inventory. The audit that you're working on will automatically be here. You have the opportunity to compare it to a previous audit for that same store up to 4 different times, so you can compare 4 different months. And if you want to see what you just counted, here is the category total of it, and it will tell you how many cigarettes and how much beer you counted today. You can break that into a lot of different things that we will be describing when we actually do the training or the viewing of how to use VoTrak reports. So once again, we'd like to thank you for watching this video, and watch for future editions.